Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. Ultimate guide to changing differential oil. Keep your ride smooth. Diving into the world of car maintenance, one crucial yet often overlooked task is changing the differential oil. If you're a car enthusiast or simply want to extend the lifespan of your vehicle, understanding the importance of this routine maintenance can save you from costly repairs down the road. Have you ever wondered what the function of differential oil is in your vehicle? This viscous fluid plays a key role in lubricating the gears within the differential, reducing friction, dissipating heat, and preventing premature wear and tear. By maintaining the proper level and quality of differential oil, you can ensure smooth operation and optimal performance of your vehicle's drivetrain. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of changing your differential oil, demystifying the task, and highlighting its significance in keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned DIY mechanic or a novice looking to expand your automotive knowledge, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the know-how to tackle this maintenance task with confidence. Importance of changing differential oil. Regularly changing the differential oil in your vehicle is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and prolonging the lifespan of your drivetrain components. Let's delve into why this simple maintenance task is so vital. Function of differential oil. Differential oil plays a critical role in lubricating the gears and bearings within the differential assembly, allowing them to operate smoothly and efficiently. Over time, the oil can become contaminated with metal particles, dirt, and other debris, leading to increased friction and wear on the components. By changing the differential oil at recommended intervals, you help ensure that these parts remain properly lubricated, reducing the risk of premature failures and costly repairs. Benefits of regular differential oil changes. 1. Improved lubrication. Fresh differential oil provides better lubrication, reducing friction between moving parts and minimizing heat buildup. This, in turn, helps prevent excessive wear and ensures smooth operation of the differential. 2. Enhanced heat dissipation. Differential oil also helps dissipate heat generated during operation, preventing overheating of the gears and bearings. Regular oil changes ensure that the oil can effectively absorb and transfer heat away from critical components, preventing damage due to excessive temperatures. 3. Extended component lifespan. By maintaining clean and proper lubrication with regular oil changes, you can extend the lifespan of your differential and related drivetrain components. This not only saves you money on costly repairs but also ensures that your vehicle remains reliable and safe to drive for years to come. In conclusion, changing the differential oil periodically is a simple yet effective way to protect your vehicle's drivetrain and ensure smooth performance. Don't overlook this essential maintenance task to keep your car running at its best. Signs that differential oil needs changing. Leaking differential oil. Leaking differential oil. If you spot mysterious puddles beneath your vehicle, it could be a sign of leaking differential oil. These leaks are like red flags waving at you, signaling a potential issue that shouldn't be ignored. Differential oil plays a crucial role in keeping your car's components running smoothly and efficiently. Addressing leaks promptly can prevent further damage and maintain the overall health of your vehicle. Strange noises or vibrations. Strange noises or vibrations. Have you been hearing strange noises or feeling unusual vibrations while driving? These could be indicators of low or degraded differential oil. The differential system relies on proper lubrication to function correctly, and when the oil levels are insufficient or compromised, it can lead to friction and wear among the components. Paying attention to these auditory and tactile cues can help you catch potential oil issues before they escalate. Metal shavings in the oil. Metal shavings in the oil. Discovering metal shavings in your differential oil is a definite cause for concern. These tiny particles can spell trouble for your differential's health, as they are often a sign of internal wear and tear on the gears or bearings. Ignoring metal shavings can result in significant damage to the differential system, leading to costly repairs down the line. Regularly checking your oil for any metal debris can help you identify issues early and preserve the longevity of your vehicle's differential. How to change differential oil. Changing the differential oil is a crucial maintenance task that ensures your vehicle's smooth operation. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of changing your differential oil, starting with gathering the necessary tools and materials. Gathering necessary tools and materials. To successfully change your differential oil, here's what you'll need. Jack and jack stands, drain pan, socket wrench set, differential gasket, shop towels, safety glasses, protective gloves. Correct type and amount of differential oil specified by your vehicle manufacturer. Draining the old differential oil. 1. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. 2. Locate the differential housing and position the drain pan underneath. 3. Using the socket wrench, carefully loosen the drain plug to allow the old oil to drain completely into the pan. 4. After draining, clean the drain plug and the area around it with shop towels to remove any dirt or debris. Refilling with new differential oil. 1. Remove the differential cover and old gasket carefully to prevent any damage. 2. Thoroughly clean the housing and cover surfaces before installing the new gasket. 3. Refill the differential with the correct type and amount of fresh oil recommended for your vehicle. 4. Reinstall the cover with the new gasket in place, ensuring a tight seal. 5. Lower your vehicle, and you're all set with a fresh differential oil change. Changing your differential oil following these steps will help maintain your vehicle's performance and longevity. Remember to consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions and oil specifications tailored to your car's make and model. Frequency of differential oil changes. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's differential system, understanding the frequency of differential oil changes is crucial. Let's delve into the manufacturer recommendations and the factors that influence how often you should change your differential oil. Manufacturer recommendations. Manufacturers typically suggest changing the differential oil every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, but this can vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. These recommendations are based on extensive testing and research to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your differential system. The primary reasons behind manufacturers' guidelines for differential oil changes include preserving the functionality of the gears within the differential, reducing wear and tear on components, and preventing overheating. By adhering to these recommendations, you can maintain the efficiency and reliability of your vehicle's differential system. Factors influencing change frequency. Several factors can influence how often you should change your differential oil. Driving conditions play a significant role, with frequent towing, stop-and-go city driving, or off-road adventures requiring more frequent oil changes. Additionally, high-mileage vehicles may benefit from more frequent differential oil changes to mitigate wear on the gears and bearings. The age of your vehicle is another crucial factor to consider. As vehicles age, seals may deteriorate, allowing contaminants to enter the differential fluid. Regular oil changes can help flush out these contaminants and prolong the life of your differential components. By understanding the manufacturer's recommendations and considering the various factors that influence differential oil change frequency, you can effectively maintain your vehicle's differential system and ensure smooth and reliable operation for years to come. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's differential, changing the differential oil is a crucial task that shouldn't be overlooked. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your differential functions smoothly and efficiently for miles to come. Key takeaways. Regularly changing the differential oil helps to reduce friction and heat within the differential, prolonging its lifespan. Neglecting to change the differential oil can lead to increased wear and tear on the internal components of the differential. It is recommended to consult your vehicle's manual for the manufacturer's recommended intervals for changing the differential oil. Get started today. Don't wait until it's too late to change your differential oil. Take action now to protect your vehicle's differential and keep your drive smooth and hassle-free. Remember, a little maintenance today can save you from costly repairs tomorrow. That concludes our ultimate guide to changing differential oil. By following these simple steps and performing regular maintenance, you can ensure smooth operation and longevity for your vehicle's drivetrain. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations and always use high-quality lubricants. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.